But yeah, so they came like this. There was obviously a plastic bag over it, but once you remove this, it's no longer eligible for a return. So they don't have like a test swatch, they just have the whole thing. And it's like a little zip tie that you cut off, and then it's no longer able to be returned. It's pretty close to my hair color. The reason I got this color is because the regular like 613 was out of stock till I think June or something. So I didn't want to wait, and I was like, I was initially going to dye my hair a certain shade of pink, which I got in the mail, and then was like, kind of want to do silver. So this kind of works out because I can tone them a little bit more to make them more silver. It's not totally far off. I do have a toner that would match this perfectly, so probably going to do that. And they came in this box, which has directions on how to install them, which is cool if you've never worn extensions before. And then this little baggie, which I will show you now. So it has a little code for saving money on your next purchase, the return slip, a cashback thing, some info on 3 new products they have, their YouTube channel, and then this is all about the extensions, all the different shades, stuff like that. Now inside we have some products to take care of the extensions, which I think is awesome. So first up is they call it Zala. It's a hair extension hydrating mask, specifically formulated to hydrate the hair cuticle at a cellular level. Then we have 3 things. We have the Smooth Talker hair extension conditioner, the Froth on You hair extension shampoo, and the Revive Me hair extension treatment. I think it's really nice that they do provide you with those so you can try them out, and then they have bigger sizes on the website. I also bought one of the hangers. I like to use these when I'm styling them because I was for a while using the draw method, which if you have extensions you know exactly what I'm talking about, but that has become very annoying to me, or like holding them in my mouth and then styling them. So now I have this, and it's also a good way to store them if you're not wearing them. Sometimes I'll clip them to a mannequin head or something, but I'd rather just have them separate and away from everything. So now I'm going to install them. I forget what size I got. I got the 16-inch ones. So I did get the smallest amount of hair you can get because I do have fine hair and I don't think it's necessary, especially since I wasn't adding a ton of length. We have a 3-clip weft, a 5-clip weft, a 2-clip weft, and 2 1-clip wefts. So I'm just going to put them in now. So this is my first time putting them in. Now I would just need to trim the ends, give them some angles just so they blend a bit more, but I'm pretty pleased with the way they look, the way they feel. Super soft. They haven't been washed yet, so they will kind of poof up a bit when they get washed. I'm pretty pleased. I will keep you guys updated on the quality after washing them and styling them, see if anything goes wrong. But yeah, pretty excited about them.